see if this will attach both camera. Let's see what it is. Okay. Let me take it easy, because wow, this is it. So I'm going to mount it here so that it records everything that I want it to be recorded. Fine. This will help me so much, because as you explained the other time, I will not be able to, I will not always hit the back or front of any object, whether any vehicle or so. This is fantastic. I'm going to introduce it to my friends. I know many of them would like to have one, so that we can enjoy it together. Thank you very much. So please, I hope you will bring more to us so that we can enjoy it.